number of people were involved in last week's performance workshop, the first one that we did. Were your clinicians engaged in this, and what did they think of the workshop?
Very engaged. We had, some of our clinicians were running groups, so they couldn't attend, but the ones that were there were very engaged, very interested in the questions and digging through the data, and it got them to see the results in a different light and just really see how having this data and the comparative can apply to the client's care. And so I think that's the goal of getting the clinicians to utilize Vista, is doing these workshops is going to help them dive in more, collaborative, talk about it more, have it come up in conversation, because it's really not, it's all to benefit the client. And when they discuss, comparative data, it helps them look at it differently. So yes, very helpful. They were looking forward to the next one as well. They already asked about it, and I think it's a good exercise.
Excellent. Thank you.